Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Tesla Cybertruck, wrapped in a blue or purple blue or blue purple paint protection film over the entire vehicle. The paint protection film has a 10-year guarantee, self-heals, no waxing, and will absorb, meaning limit your amount of rock hits on the vehicle. Apparently it's supposed to be bulletproof, so maybe you won't have any issues. I don't know, but it'll keep it from getting dinged up. The biggest problem with these in the stainless steel, we'll go over that one over there. The fingerprints, the acid from your fingerprints are staining the aluminum or the stainless steel. So if you look at your stainless steel silverware, look how crappy that looks. That's what that's going to look like. I don't understand why we made a stainless steel vehicle. We would have learned that from DeLorean's days, but I think it's just cheap production. But the way to remedy that is with some sort of film over it, paint protection film, primarily because it has benefits. Vinyl wrapping does not. It's a simple color change. This will protect it. It has benefits of self-healing, rock impacts get handled by it, among other things. No waxing, but you can see the yellowing that's happening from your hands and your oil in your hands, and just the smudging is horrendous. Like I said, if you're old enough to know the DeLorean car, look at those today. They're hideous. Look at a pontoon boat. They got to acid wash those every year. So same thing with this. Good concept, but they could have come up with a better material. I think it's just a production thing. It's super inexpensive to make. They're panels, and they get spot welded on, and away you go. There's no painting, no stamping, nothing. So let's move forward with this. This is the purpose of why people are putting the paint protection film over them, at times vinyl, which is not a good choice, honestly. But when we do it, I have a new proprietary system to wrap all these edges on this type of vehicle so we don't miss anything, but it goes on perfectly. Everything goes perfectly. It looks like it was never even a stainless vehicle or the color silver. Everything goes in as if it was painted this way. I make sure that all these edges are perfect. Again, it's a new system that I developed for wrapping edges. It's a proprietary system by me, and it makes it perfect. So we're shooting for perfection, and it seems to be working so far. But there it is. These here, no big deal to get under these. No problem getting under this. There is some play in these. Getting in here, no problem. Everything is really, really tight. There is no silver anywhere showing through this vehicle. I mean, all these edges on the fender to the door, everything's perfect. Under these fender flares, all the way to the bottoms, literally every edge is wrapped with this new system I have. These A-pillars, these flat pieces here, this is all one piece. I've seen some seamed. There's no need for that. It goes in one section, fully wrapped, top, bottom. This big rear fender, fully wrapped. So everything looks fantastic. Mine's on the way. I'm gonna do mine in the black matte. Great truck, great vehicle. It's very unique. I love it, but the stainless, disappointing that it's getting stained like that. This one had really bad oil stains from your acid. He has 3 kids, and it was just problematic to keep it clean. And there's a couple scuffs in it that are going to be difficult to get out with that hard of a product. Overall, the truck is fun, fast, and obviously unique to the world. But there it is. That's a purple blue PPF. That's our new system that I developed maybe within the last year. We've been using it throughout the last several months, and I'll tell you what, that's it. Nobody else has it. It's something that I created, and there it is. So this is allowing us to get every edge perfectly wrapped without any issues. So you wouldn't even tell this thing looks like it was painted. So there it is, paint protection film on a Cybertruck. This one's up next, getting bright white, and then mine should be here with a matte black. So there it is. I'll pan out here a little bit. You can take a look what you might like. I don't know, I still like that look, But this is different. You can change these out if it's in your budget every once in a while. But that's a good looking vehicle right there. So there it is. If you guys have any questions, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809, and cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent. And give me a call if you're looking for these type of wrapped edges with our new system that handles all that for us. It's right on the money. There's no issues, and it's all mine. So nobody else has it, and that's how we do it here. So take care. clearbrownorthdallas.com, 1 a.m. on Thursday. Take care.